Bullish Uniswap cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $30.11 and $56.88 by 2030. Market examiners accept Uni could reach $23.42 by 2025. Bearish Uniswap market cost expectation for 2023 is $5.35. Uniswap presentation. In 2021, digital money merchants adored the Uniswap coin, which saw critical benefits all through its short presence. Nonetheless, as 2022 moved close, the decentralized trade token saw a plunge as the altcoin market shrank. Uniswap actually accomplished a huge achievement in May 2022. Complete exchanges on the DEX outperformed the $1 trillion in print, despite the troubling presentation of its local coin. What future possibilities could we at any point predict for Uni? Go along with us underneath as we look at the cost expectation for the Uni token over the course of the following couple of years. If you have any desire to keep awake to date on every one of the latest measurements and projections for this suddenly famous digital currency. What is Uniswap? 2018 November, Uniswap, a decentralized trade, had its true send-off. The stage, a decentralized application based on the Ethereum blockchain, works with the transformation of Ether into a scope of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap rewards liquidity suppliers with commission installments to support them. For what reason did last year's Uniswap drive take off? The stage's ease of use and interoperability with the MetaMask wallet are the essential drivers. The clients additionally have unlimited authority over their confidential keys. Uniswap's point of interaction was less complex to use than those of the other DES. In this manner, it is just a mechanized market producer utilizing open source code. There is no organization book and no outsider is involved. This decentralized stage works with smooth and basic exchange along these lines. The AMM system is the underpinning of Uniswap. With the utilization of ERC20 symbolic pools, liquidity is delivered. A commission of 0.3% is charged by liquidity suppliers for each exchange. This cash goes into the pool's hold account. Each commission is paid out to Uni holders at a pace of 0.05%. with the leftover 0.25% going to liquidity suppliers. Despite the fact that Uniswap isn't the main undertaking to utilize AMM, it did incredibly advance this line of examination, which prompted the rise of extra conventions with a comparable design. Uniswap specialized investigation. For the beyond couple of months, the cost development has been explanatory, similar as the entire cryptographic money market. Considering that Uniswap is delivering the third rendition, the rate rise is expected. The people that deal with the Uniswap specialized examination by means of the trading view stage accept that Uni token will rank among the main 5 elective monetary forms this mid-year. They guarantee that financial backers presently get a 3x benefit. Exceptionally bullish, then, Uniswap current cost. Uniswap is as of now worth $6.69 USD. Uni has moved 2.62% as of now with an exchanging volume of $163,540,614. Uniswap is presently positioned 18 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $5,082,639,254 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Uniswap to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Uniswap market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Uniswap Value Forecast 2023. Uniswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Uni cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $10.04. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $9.37 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Uni is supposed to have a base worth of $8.03. Uniswap Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Uniswap Uni cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Uni will before long outperform $16.73. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Uni's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Uniswap Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $23.42 and Uni might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Uni is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $21.41 and a low of $20.08 in 2025. Uniswap Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that Uniswap effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the Uni coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Uni will be green in 2026. The Uni is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $30.11, with a base cost of $26.77 and a typical cost of $28.11. Uniswap Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Uni cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $34.80 by 2027, with a base cost of $33.46 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Uni has a greatest value worth of $36.80. Uniswap Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $41.49. In the event that Uni figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $43.50. Neglecting to accumulate the help Uni needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $40.15. Uniswap Value Forecast 2029. While Uni is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $46.84 and a yearly cost close above $50.19 in 2029. Uniswap Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Uniswap will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $53.53 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $56.88, averaging out at $54.87. Uniswap Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Uni cost in 2031 is projected to be $65.58 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $62.90. And we can completely state by taking a gander at the Uniswap coin outline that the Uniswap token is beneficial to put resources into. Moreover, considering that the cost of the Uni coin has expanded by around 560%, it has areas of strength for and of positioning among the main 10 digital currencies. What is the Uniswap cost today? Today, Uniswap is exchanging at $6.69 with an all-out market capitalization of $5,082,639,254. Is Uniswap a wise speculation? Uniswap ended up being one of the most discussed coins